loves, today I have this really creepy clown tutorial. I apologize in advance if any of you are scared of clowns because they don't really freak me out that much, but some of them do. Does that make any sense? And this came out a little creepier than I expected, but I'm kind of digging it. I don't know if you guys are scared or if it looks more glam to you, but I mean, the fake skin and the blood definitely draws the line for me. It's a little creepy. It's kind of hard for me to talk right now. My face is very stiff. My liquid latex actually formed in the tube, so that had to go in the trash and it smelled really bad, so that was an epic fail, so I didn't end up using that. I had to use fake skin, and you will see how it looks like in the video. It's pretty darn disgusting, and then with the blood on top, looks like my face is kind of gashed, but I think that this tutorial came out really cute. I am totally digging it, like I said, and I have like 3 more Halloween tutorials to get up for you guys. I think 2 are Disney, no, all 3 are Disney themed, so stay tuned for that. That should be less scary, and I hope that you guys are really enjoying my Halloween series so far. I am having so much fun putting these looks together for you guys. You have no idea. My face is breaking up because of the paint. I have sensitive skin, but that is okay. It's for Halloween and I am having so much fun. I cannot believe how fast October is flying by. I feel like I just started my series and the month is almost finished, so I don't know what that's about, guys. Like, slow down, you know. I don't want Halloween to approach so fast. I just want to enjoy October. And yeah, so let me just cut out this chit chat now. Let's get right into this video. Okay, so I'm putting on this pretty spiffy wig, and then I'm going to take this really gross flesh fake skin, and I'm going to have to knead that into my fingers and then place that onto my face, guys. And before you apply makeup to this, by the way, you have to brush it with some powder before you apply any makeup or fake blood to it. It's really quite funny how I decided to do a tutorial like this when in real life I am not a horror fan. I do not like scary movies, guys. I like movies more like Halloween Town, The Nightmare Before Christmas, Twitches, you know, things like that, but I am not a horror fan. Now, to set that fake skin in place, I'm going to be using my LORAC Pro Contour Palette, and I'm taking the beige highlight, and I'm just going to take a makeup sponge and dab that over the fake skin. This looks pretty darn creepy, I'm not going to lie. I am now going to be taking my Wet n Wild white painting pot and I'm going to apply that to my face using a foundation brush. Guys, let me tell you, I love this paint way better than that other face paint that I was using because this did not come off of my face one bit and it made my photos look better, and the makeup just came out way better with this paint in general. So I kind of recommend this one because I'm loving Wet n Wild face paint so far. And just in case any of you were wondering where I got all of the wigs to do all of my tutorials so far, I got them at Five Below, and honestly, they're not bad quality at all for just $5, guys. You cannot beat that. However, this wig was just a tad bit itchy, but I mean, I pulled through. is now time to take my Wet n Wild Multistick in the shade Black Noir. Once again, I hope I am saying that right. And I am going to draw on some pretty funky eyebrows because why not, guys? I am now going to be priming my eyes with my Morphe eyeshadow primer. I am now going to be taking my Disney Villains Misunderstood palette, and I'm going to take the shade Forest of Thorns and put that into my crease. Guys, look at that pop of color. Can we just take a moment? I am now going to be taking the shade Revenge, and I'm going to put that onto my lids. I did end up buying a clown nose for this look, however, I really didn't like the way that it looked with this look, so I did not use it. And now I'm just going to line my waterlines. And I wanted to add a little oomph to this look, so I am going to be adding pre-glued lashes. Guys, I love these lashes. They were so easy to put on, and did I mention how cute they are? And it is now time for the fake blood. Mwahaha! Yeah, okay, just ignore me, guys. I had some coffee and I'm naturally just hyper. I don't know. But guys, yeah, the funny thing is, in real life, I do not like blood at all. It's scary, it's gross, and it creeps me out. But yet Sam manages to do a look like this. The world will never know, guys. I am now going to be taking my Wet n Wild Brights Vive palette, and I'm going to use that really pretty purple shade and apply that onto my lips. Guys, I am obsessed with Wet n Wild right now, especially their makeup and their face paint. And no, this is not sponsored, but I'm just filling you guys in because I'm loving their products and you should totally use it this Halloween. And now I'm just going to add some fake blood to my lips to make it a little more spooky. Alright, my babies, and here is the finished look. What do you guys think? I want it to be unique this Halloween, and I think that this clown look is definitely different, but that's the point of makeup. Play with it, make it your own, and just be different from others. I love how this came out. babies, that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell. That way you will never miss an upload of mine. Leave some comments down below and let me know how you're loving this series so far. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.